Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I have a new addition to my kitchen. It is the crock pot. As you can see, I love it. I've used it so many times since I bought it. It does everything. It's a rice cooker, a steamer, a slow cooker, a pressure cooker. It fries, it browns, it does mashed potatoes, it does everything. So every other pretty much appliance that I had, I've got rid of my rice cooker, my old slow cooker, and this is my one-stop cooking utensil now. I just love it. So here's the controls of the crock pot. As you can see, you can brown and sear here. It sautés, it's a slow cooker, it simmers, it boils, it makes yogurt. I haven't made yogurt yet. It keeps everything warm after it's cooked. You can also do a meat or a stew, poultry, beans and chili, make a soup. That's where I've done the rice. The rice turns out really lovely and fluffy. Desserts and steaming. You can do the timer here and adjust the temperature and the pressure there. Start, stop. Like I said, I'm loving it. And I went and bought this book from Kmart. And it does every single recipe. It's got the slow cooker or the pressure cooker version. I haven't cooked anything out of it yet, so today I'm actually going to cook my first recipe out of this book. And I'm going to be cooking char siu beef sliders. Although I'm not going to make them as a slider, I'm going to do them as more of a taco, I think, and use a soft taco shell, because I don't have any beef sliders to start with, and I think they're just a little bit filling. So my first recipe, char siu beef tacos, I'm going to call them. I don't know what char siu is, but it sounds delicious. So these are our ingredients today for char siu beef. We've got char siu sauce, soy sauce, white rice vinegar, lemongrass, sriracha chili sauce, garlic, fish sauce, and a sliced onion. You also need some ginger, minced ginger, which I don't have, so I'll be missing that out. Hopefully it doesn't do too much to alter the taste, but quick and easy so far. You also need a kilo of beef. I've got a rolled brisket roast. You can use anything. You can use chuck steak, topside roast, but today I'm using rolled brisket. So I'm going to heat up the crock pot. I'm going to choose brown and then press start. It'll automatically heat for 30 minutes. Next step is heating up the crock pot. I've just chosen it to brown. So in a couple of minutes that should start to get hot, and I can put in the onion, and then I'm going to place the beef on top of it and pour the sauce over top. I preheated the pressure cooker, added the onion. Then place the beef over top, and then I poured the char siu sauce over the top of the beef. You have to choose the meat stew function, then press start. Make sure the pressure is sealed. The char siu beef should take about 45 minutes in the pressure cooker, but if you don't have a pressure cooker, you've only got a slow cooker, you can do exactly the same thing, and it should take about 6 hours in the slow cooker, or until the beef is pulling apart. The beef's been cooking for about 45 minutes, and I put it on for another 45 minutes. And now I've just taken the lid off and bringing it back to the boil, trying to reduce some of the liquid, but it's looking pretty good. Our char siu beef is almost ready, so I'm just going to cut up some coriander and some red cabbage, and then heat up these street tacos, and then eat them. So the dressing I'm going to make for our char siu tacos or sliders is I've got some of this Kewpie sesame soy Japanese dressing and some Japanese mayonnaise, and I'm going to mix the two together and put it on top of our tacos / sliders. Should taste pretty nice. I hope you like our char siu sliders. I'll put the recipe in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.